Your company is losing huge amounts of money without even knowing it. Research shows that normal weight employees in the USA cost on average $3,838 per year in health care costs, sick days, short-term disability, and workers' compensation claim combined. While overweight is morbidly obese employees cost between $4,252 and $8,067. Another study put that number even higher and calculated that a morbidly obese employee costs an average of $15,500 per year. But let's take the lowest numbers from the first study, just for the sake of optimism. That means you lose $414 to $4,229 per overweight employee every single year. Now let's put that in perspective with a graph table. Best case scenario with 1 employee, $414. 10 employees, $4,140. 50 employees, $20,700. Worst case scenario, 1 employee, $4,229. 10 employees, $42,290. With 50 employees, $211,450. On average, 1 employee is $2,321, 10 employees, $23,210, 50 employees, $116,075. That's only for 1 year. Now, a company with only 10 overweight or obese men would on average lose almost $250,000 in a decade. Worldwide obesity has nearly tripled since 1975, with about 13% of adults being obese. It's a BMI greater than 29.9, and about 39% of adults being overweight, a BMI greater than 24.9 in 2016. Of course, there are huge differences between countries. For example, more than 1 in 3, 36% of adults in the United States were obese in 2016, while in India the share was around 10 times lower, 3.9%. Based on the latest estimates in European Union countries, overweight affects 30 to 70% and obesity affects 10 to 30% of adults. Overall, there's a pattern roughly in line with prosperity. The prevalence of obesity tends to be higher in richer countries across Europe, North America, and Oceania. Obesity rates are much lower across South Asia and sub-Saharan Africa. And it gets even worse. Research suggests with high predictive accuracy that by 2030, nearly 1 in 2 adults in the USA will have obesity, and that 1 in 5 men will be severely obese in 2030. Although the numbers are lower in Europe, they show the same trend. The numbers are increasing. This means that it's extremely likely that your company's costs will increase even more in the future if you don't handle the problem right now.